What do you want?
Hey, what are you watching?
I'm just watching how the stars, moon, and the sky were made. Isn't it wonderful to look at?
Yes, it's a marvelous creation of God. He can make something from nothing.
What? Something from nothing? It's unimaginable.
Before there was a world, there was nothing. But God, He made everything you will ever see. And He even made things you have never seen.
Please tell me some more about creation. This is interesting.
Hello Asher and Viraja. I overheard something about creation you're talking about? Yes, please tell us. In the beginning, God created heaven and earth. Water lay deep over the surface of the earth and darkness was absolute. God said,
Let there be light. And suddenly there was light. And God saw that it was good.
hey, see, here's the light. Let's ask the light how it came into existence.
Can you tell us about your wonderful existence?
Yes, I am glad to talk about myself. God divided me from darkness, which was night, and made a day. It was me, the first in creation. Nothing existed before me except God, who was the light. The light gives life to all mankind. This life is the light that shines through the darkness. Really, it is marvelous. I remember a song. Let's hear it. Ballet music.
This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine.
Next,
This
Bishop
little
Folk
guiding
dance
light
children
of
to be ready.
mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine all the time. Let it shine. Hide it under a bushel, oh no, I'm gonna let it shine. Hide it under a bushel, oh no, I'm gonna let it shine. Hide it under a bushel, oh no, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine all the time. Let it shine. Take this little light round the world, I'm gonna let it shine. Take this little light round the world, I'm gonna let it shine. Take this little light round the world, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine all the time. Let it shine.
Yes, we are the light of the world. We shine in this world with our good deeds and good life.
Do you see the sky over us? It's just like a roof in blue color. When and how was it made?
Here's the sky. Let's ask him. Can you tell us about your wonderful existence in this universe?
One day, God said, "Let there be sky over the waters," and called the sky heaven. This was on the second day of creation. See the earth? It's round like a ball and it's moving in a circle.
Come, we'll find out more about God's creation. Miss Earth, can you tell something about you?
On the third day, I rose up through the water, and God called me the dry land, earth, and water, the sea, and God commanded us to bring forth every good fruit in the ground. And along with me, He made 9 planets to exist. But man has become too greedy to destroy the nature, and God has stored every good thing for him in this earth. Please save me.
Yes, God is so mindful of us. He enabled the earth to give us all kinds of fruits, vegetables, medicinal trees, etc. Is it not wonderful? Today we are enjoying everything around us, and it is everyone's responsibility to safeguard the earth from every kind of pollution and destruction.
Yes, He is mindful of us. He also created sun, moon, and stars. We should protect our earth by planting more trees. Let's find out about them.
Here comes the sun, moon, and stars. Wow! Can you tell us who you are and what you're made for?
An announcement, please. B.
We are
Kirtika
created on the
of
fourth
5th
day
class.
with 9 planets. I am bigger than the others. God
Be
kept me to
Kirtika
shine
of
over the
fifth
day.
class.
I give light and
Please
heat.
come nearby the
And
anchoring.
what about you, moon?
Yes, I
Be
am also
Kirtika of
created
fifth
along with the
class.
sun. I give light during the night.
And what about you, stars?
We are of many, uncountable, surrounded the moon to shine over the night. We are all over the universe.
And you, fire?
I am fire. I am not made by our creator, but invented by man. I burn all the waste, destroy all those who bear bad fruits and bad deeds.
I'm not able to believe this wonderful creation of God. Wow!
Adi, I remember a song which I love to sing and act.
Yes, Asher, play.
All of the sun that shines on me. God made the sun and God made me. All of the stars that twinkle on me. God made the stars and God made me. All of the sun that shines on me. God made the sun and God made me. All of the stars that twinkle on me. God made the stars and God made me. The sun that shines on me. God made the sun and God made me. I love the rain that splashes on me. God made the rain and God made me. I love the wind that blows around me. I love the wind that blows around me. God made the wind and God made me. I love the sun that shines on me. God made the sun and God made me. I love the stars that twinkle on me. God made the stars and God made me.
Adi, did you enjoy the song?
Yes, now I know that we are of God's creation. He created us in His own image to rule over His creation. He created us both as male and female to multiply. Come, let's praise God for all His goodness.
Everything's bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small. Everything's wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that
Thank you, children, for your outstanding effort. It was expressive. Shall we all encourage them with a big round of applause once again? Next, Fisher folk dance by 6th boys and girls.
कहाँ गई मेरी बकरी?
In charges are Mrs. Vijaya and Mrs.
मेरी बकरी
Faris.
इस पेड़ के ऊपर चढ़कर देखता हूँ।
यह सुनसान जगह है, यहाँ खड़कर बातें करते हैं।
तुम मुझे छोड़कर किसी और से शादी नहीं करोगे ना?
प्यारी, मैं तुम्हारी आंखों में सारा संसार देखता हूँ।
भाई साहब, मेरी बकरी खो गई है। क्या आप मेरी बकरी को देख रहे हैं?
थैंक यू।
Next, Fisher folk dance by 6th boys and girls. In charges are Mrs. Vijaya and Mrs. Faris.
डैडी, आपके दामाद ने मुझे थप्पड़ मारा।
तुम्हारे पति ने तुमको चाटा, कहाँ मारा?
Fisher folk participants, please come and get ready.
जाओ, अपने पति से कहना कि उसने
Come
मेरी
on
बेटी
to the
को मारा।
dais.
मैंने उसकी पत्नी को
Fisher
मारकर
folk
बदला
children.
ले लिया है। थैंक यू।
Fisher folk participants, please come on to the dais.
अरे श्याम, मेरे पिता रात भर शोर करते रहते हैं, चिल्लाते रहते हैं।
पागल है क्या?
नहीं, चौकीदार है। हर मोहल्ले में पहरा देते रहते हैं। अरे तू कब पैदा हुआ?
इतवार, रविवार के दिन।
झूठ बोलता है। इतवार
Fisher folk children, please come to the stage. Start.
हेलो।
Next, we want English skit. Children to be ready.
कोली सोरीला डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हनलन खोली चल जाऊ बाजारी हाय कोली सोरीला डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हनलन खोली चल जाऊ बाजारी हाय कोली सोरीला डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हनलन खोली चल जाऊ बाजारी हाय कोली सोरीला डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हनलन खोली चल जाऊ बाजारी बाजारी लोकांच्या नजरा पडतीन गो तुझ्यावरी चला गप्पारू करते सुनखरा चल जाऊ बाजारी बेसवचे बाजारी लोकांच्या नजरा पडतीन गो तुझ्यावरी चला गप्पारू करते सुनखरा चल जाऊ बाजारी चल गप्पारू आईली हिरकर बाजारची तयारी सरक्याची टोपली माथ्यावर जेवून टिकूचा बाजारी हाय कोली सोरीला डोली र मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हनलन खोली चल जाऊ बाजारी पारूचे फल्यावरी भिंगानी पाला काटेरी मावर दिसतय सोनेरी सरकांनी हलवा ताज है मावर पारूचे फल्यावरी भिंगानी पाला काटेरी मावर दिसतय सोनेरी रे काका ताज है मावर पारूचे फल्यावरी कोलियो नखवा तरियांशी हानतय मावर सोनेरी
हाय कोली सोरील्या टोलीला मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानल्यान कोली न चल जाऊ बाजारी
हाय कोली सोरील्या टोलीला मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानल्यान कोली न चल जाऊ बाजारी
हाय कोली सोरील्या टोलीला मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानल्यान कोली न चल जाऊ बाजारी हाय कोली सोरील्या टोलीला मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानल्यान कोली न चल जाऊ बाजारी हाय कोली सोरील्या टोलीला मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानल्यान कोली न चल जाऊ बाजारी
Mavish, did you enjoy the dance? Yes, Laya, why not? How Indian fishermen enjoy their lives. Their livelihood depends on oceans. They are always endangered.
Yes, in spite of being exposed to such a great threat, they have learned how to enjoy these good days. Thank you, friends.
Parents, please cheer them up with a big clap. Thank you.
Now, next, we are going to witness a play in English named Merchant of Venice by high school boys and girls. In charges are Mrs. Sheila Janet and Mrs. Sadia Sultana.
Merchant of Venice by 8th, 9th and 10th girls and boys. Can we ever imagine English literature without the literary work of William Shakespeare? No, never. William Shakespeare was an English poet and playwright, widely regarded as the greatest writer and dramatist in the English language. He is often called England's national poet. His surviving works, including some collaborations, consist of about 38 plays, 154 sonnets, 2 long narrative poems, and several other poems. His plays have been translated into every major living language and are performed more than those of any other playwright.
Even tonight, our St. Joseph School parents are going to be entertained with a famous play of Shakespeare called Merchant of Venice, the most thrilling story. And as high school students, both boys and girls are going to exhibit their talents before their parents through this wonderful play.
Antonio and Bassanio are the closest friends, like David and Jonathan in Christian literature. Our students, S. Aryan of 9th A and B. Sainath of 9th A are acting as Antonio and Bassanio. Zen of 8th C is acting as Shylock, the moneylender. The Duke is K. Raviteja of 9th A. Vazek of 9th A acts as Graziano. Jivita of 10th D acts as Judge Balthazar. And Supratika of 10th D as his secretary.
Hello, I am Antonio. I am ready to risk even my life for my closest friend.
Hello everybody, I am Bassanio. How can I praise without my friend? I have no words. My heart is full of gratitude towards him. A friend in need is a friend indeed.
I am Shylock. I am waiting for a chance to take revenge on Antonio.
Hello, I am Duke. Never in my life
have I come across such a difficult case. Hello, I am Graciano, the friend of Bassanio. I am Judge Balthazar. Righteous are sure to be rewarded. Hello, I am the secretary of Judge Balthazar. What a wise man Judge Balthazar is.
Antonio was a merchant in the city of Venice in Italy, well known for his good character and great kindness. He was also rich. He was the owner of ships that sailed to far-off countries. He was still a bachelor. The first scene opens. He meets his closest friend, Bassanio.
Hello Bassanio, how do you do?
I am fine. By the way, how about you?
My dear friend, I am waiting for my ships with spices, diamonds and silk from India, Arabia and China. But I feel something is wrong with you. Why do you look so sad?
Antonio, my heart is very much eager to go to Belmont to try my luck for the chance of marrying Portia, my friend. But I have no money. Let me drop my good luck.
Bassanio, you are my closest friend. How can I see you with a sad face? Ask me, how much do you need?
3,000 gold coins.
Of course, it's beyond my capacity. Nobody would have this ready cash. Anyway, let me think of Shylock, the moneylender. Only he can give us this large sum.
But Antonio, he regards you as his enemy. You always criticize him because you charge us high interest. How do you think that he says yes? No, Antonio, let us drop the matter.
Bassanio, I am ready to do anything for you, my closest friend. Whatever interest he charges, I am ready to pay. Come on, we will go. You go to Belmont. As soon as you get the money, marry Portia and live happily.
Okay.
Scene 2. Antonio and Bassanio go to Shylock and ask for money.
I am Shylock, the money lender. I have earned a lot due to my high rates of interest. I am very rich, but something pains my heart. This Antonio, everybody likes him. They say that he is kind and generous. I hate him. He insults me in the public. I wish for a chance. Better Antonio shouldn't be in Venice. Who is this? Yes, come in.
Shylock, I have come here to ask you for 3,000 gold coins for the sake of my friend.
I shall give you. We can be friends hereafter. Stop insulting me in public.
No, never. I will criticize your bad practices. Lend me the money. I will return it to you in 3 months' time. If I fail, you can demand me the highest penalty.
Yes, I shall lend you the money for 3 months free of interest. But if you don't, you will have to pay me a big fine. That is, will you promise me to give me a penalty? A pound of flesh to be cut off your chest nearest to your heart. Are you ready to sign a bond with this condition?
Yes, I will.
No, Antonio. Don't sign such a dangerous bond, risking your life for my sake. I don't want to be stupid or selfish.
Why do you worry, Bassanio? I am going to sign only a piece of paper. My ships will come in 3 weeks' time, full of diamonds. I can pay back. I will be safe forever.
Okay.
They signed the bond.
This is Shylock, the moneylender. Today, I lent 3,000 gold coins to Antonio free of interest to be paid back in 3 months' time. If he fails to pay back, I am authorized to cut off 1 pound of flesh from near his chest. Antonio has agreed with my condition. Take this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Meanwhile, everything did not go smoothly for Antonio. All his ships have been lost in sea storms. The 3 months' time has passed. Now, it is a chance of Shylock to cut off his chest. He has filed a case against Antonio.
What a heavy loss I have incurred. I'll write a letter to Bassanio. My dear Bassanio, I am Antonio. I have failed to pay back Shylock. He is sure to win the case. I prepare myself to die. Goodbye to you and family. Remember our friendship. Who is here?
Yes, sir.
Post it.
Okay. Sir, it's a letter.
Letter? It's a letter from Bassanio. Huh? It's a letter from my friend. Let me read.
Hello.
My dear Bassanio, I am Antonio. I have failed to pay back Shylock. He is sure to win the case. I prepare myself to die. Goodbye to you and family. Remember our friendship. I won't allow my friend to die. I will take more gold with my friend Graciano and give the same to Shylock. He may spare my friend. Graciano, come on quick. We will go to Venice and save my friend. Come on, we will go.
Don't you think we have to save Antonio from Shylock?
Yes, come on, for sure. We'll go to the court.
It's now court scene. Antonio and Bassanio Graciano on one side. The Duke is conducting the case.
शेर के पिंजरे में गिर जाए तो आप किसे बचाओगे?
हा हा हा, ये भी कोई पूछने की बात है? मैं यकीनन शेर को ही बचाऊंगा। दुनिया में शेर बचे ही कितने हैं?
क्या यार?
Let them go. They are waiting for the past 4 hours. What is that? Who are you? I am his parent.
One more.
How long are you wait? What bullshit program you are conducting?
It is the court scene. Antonio, Bassanio, Graciano on one side, and the Duke is conducting the case. Shylock demands a pound of flesh. Akif reads the case.
February 28, 2016. Trial. Place the court at Venice, Italy. The victim is Antonio. The opponent is Shylock, the moneylender. The case is as follows. Antonio has signed a bond that is ready to give a pound of flesh from near his heart if he fails to give back the debt 3,000 gold coins within 3 months. So, according to the bond given, Shylock, the moneylender, is demanding the same from him. The case is brought to the court at Venice for final verdict. The Duke is conducting the case. The trial begins. Sir, I have nothing to say on my behalf.
Sir, I am ready to offer 3 times 3,000 gold coins and even more. I plead Shylock to accept.
No, never. I want justice.
Shylock, be merciful.
No, I have to cut his flesh.
This is an extraordinary case. I cannot discern myself. I am waiting for my learned friend Bellario. He may arrive at any time.
A letter comes and he reads.
It's a letter. I am sorry to tell you that my friend Bellario is not well. But he has another judge, Mr. Balthasar. I welcome him.
Mr. Balthazar looks into all the documents.
I
I think Antonio has signed this with a light heart. I can't believe Shylock really wants to cut his flesh. How much money shall satisfy him?
Not all the money in the world. I must get justice and my pound of flesh.
What satisfaction do you get out of a pound of flesh?
That's my affair.
Why don't you show mercy towards him? No, he wants to kill my friend. Why don't you show mercy towards him?
Why should I show mercy to him? This man has insulted me always.
So that God may show mercy towards you, Shylock. If you don't show mercy towards your fellow men, God will not show mercy towards you.
I want justice, not mercy. If God gives me justice, I shall not ask for his mercy.
But mercy is better than justice. Human beings should show mercy to others. Be merciful.
I cannot find any mercy written in the bond. Can't you give me justice? It's my right.
Judge's face changes and all begin to whisper and murmur.
Why did this Bassanio risk his friend's life? Why did this Antonio sign such a risky bond?
Shylock, a moneylender, is he crazy or not?
Silence, please. Shylock's bond is correct according to law. Antonio must give him a pound of flesh. Shylock can cut it off the left side of his chest.
Oh, you are the wisest judge, champion of justice.
Shylock, have you brought a balance to see its weight?
Here it is.
Have you called in a doctor to stand by?
Why should I do that? There is no such condition written in the bond.
Yes, your bond gives you only a pound of flesh, but it doesn't give you even a drop of his blood. So a doctor should stand nearby to stop the blood.
How can I cut flesh without spilling blood?
I don't know how. Cut the flesh, but spill no blood. I warn you, if you use a knife and shed another person's blood, you'll be charged with the crime of injuring and killing an innocent person.
Is that the law?
Yes, and you must cut exactly 1 pound of flesh at once. If it weighs more or less, you'll be charged with attempted murder.
Shylock, here is the wisest judge.
Give my money, let me go.
No. Shylock has refused anything except justice. Shylock can cut it off the left side of his chest, but spill no blood.
I don't want anything. Please let me go home. I am tired.
You cannot go home. You have plotted to kill Antonio. Plotting murder is a serious crime. Now only Duke should show you mercy and pardon you. Will you ask Duke for his mercy?
Yes.
This time I pardon you, Shylock. Hope you have realized how much mercy is better than justice. I dismiss the case. Thank you.
Thank you, children. Well done. It was a sensational play. We all clap once again.
Hey Mozam, how was Merchant of Venice?
Next, now our 6th class girls and boys are going to perform Swachh Bharat dance. In charge is Miss Nahid.
No, my integration introduction you give. Enough. Appreciation we are already saying no.
सब निकालिए खाली पीली का लेके
After Swachh Bharat program, we ask pyramids, gymnastics and martial arts children to be ready.
सलाम करो, अच्छे जीवन को आधार करो, स्वच्छ भारत को सलाम करो। अच्छे जीवन को आधार करो चित्ता के दारुणी से तुमको तुम्हारा పరిశుభ్రతను పాటించు పరిసరాలను రక్షించు స్వచ్ఛ భారత్ కు సలాం కరో అచ్చ జీవన్ को आधार करो स्वच्छ भारत को सलाम करो अच्छे जीवन को आधार करो మహాకంపు మూలకాలు కోమలీగలన్నీ ఉన్న అంటురోగతారకాలు నిండిపోతే మహాకంపు మూలకాలు కోమలీగలన్నీ ఉన్న అంటురోగతారకాలు తారిపత్ర విసర్జన నాగరికతల వంపులు తారిపత్ర విసర్జన నాగరికతల వంపులు మనిషి మనిషికి చెప్పి చైతన్యం కలిగించు अरे स्वच्छ भारत को सलाम करो अच्छे जीवन को आधार करो स्वच्छ भारत को सलाम करो अच्छे जीवन को आधार करो ఊరంతా తెలియనట్టు పేరుకున్న చెత్త తీసి దుర్వాసన పోయేటట్టు నీ ఇంటి నుండి మొదలుపెట్టు ఊరంతా తెలియనట్టు పేరుకున్న చెత్త తీసి దుర్వాసన పోయేటట్టు నువ్వు చేసే శ్రమదానం సంఘానికి సాకారం నువ్వు చేసే శ్రమదానం సంఘానికి సాకారం స్వచ్ఛ మహాయజ్ఞానికి అదేనండి శ్రీకారం अरे रे स्वच्छ भारत को सलाम करो अच्छे जीवन को आधार करो स्वच्छ भारत को सलाम करो अच्छे जीवन को आधार करो